So, the adventure has begun.
As if this is going to help me if he comes over.
The misadventures have begun.
Oh no.
How do you feel about us leaving? Don't look at the camera.
Well, let's hope that the misadventures are going to be less eventful than anticipated. No dumpster diving, girls.
How do you feel about us living in a van?
You will. My prayer life will never be more vibrant than until you return home. Oh, I really don't have any other concerns other than don't dumpster dive, and don't answer the knocks on your van door.
No worries, Mom, for me. I will never answer that door, actually.
Yeah, that's all right. You may find your man.
Dun dun dun
Did you
dun.
get that? Rob's calling out the man.
Dun 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 dun.
Don't answer the knocks on the door, but get the man, get the man.
Mom, what would happen if we did come back with a random Australian?
Depends how random he is.
I.e. Briella.
Hey, why me?
Because you're going over to Australia for the surfer accent and the
What's
Aussie.
the surfer accent? What
No,
is
the
it?
Aussie accent and then the surfer vibe. We're off to, well, actually at the airport. And we're actually here with Briella. We're going! You excited? Yes, and we're literally the last people on the plane.
Just take your sweet little time. Like,
Actually, the last people on the plane. Check this out. Nobody's behind us. How you feeling?
what are we doing?
How excited are you?
Dominic's not going to see Canadian soil for 2 years. I'm not going to see it for 6 months. I have not seen Canadian soil since I was born. Goodbye, Canada. Come here. Goodbye.
Our flight to LA has gotten diverted due to a medical crisis on board. So now we're going.
I'm like a newscaster.
Breaking news, everybody.
So now we're going back to Denver.
Belated welcome to Denver. Not exactly what you had in mind. We didn't have it in mind either. We're just in the process of contacting our dispatch at the moment. Anticipate we'll be refiling a flight plan, taking on a little bit more fuel, and carrying on our journey here to Los Angeles.
We're off to the rental car.
So I'm going to actually tell you what happened. In our flight, we had to stop in Denver, an emergency landing in Denver, because someone had a heart attack on the airplane, and found out later that they actually died on our airplane.
Yeah. Really
So we went past Denver, then we went back to Denver, and the pilots were like, is there any medical staff on the plane? I was sleeping for that part, but nobody said that. And then they announced that there was an medical emergency, and they needed to go to Denver. So then we had to go back to Denver. So we were actually here like 2 hours later.
And the stewardesses were quite rattled.
Oh my. Well, we didn't know at first what was happening, but I imagined that I would be as well.
It was quite the...
Because we were the last ones in the plane, so we would have walked by whoever it was that had died.
Yeah. Quite the experience.
The paramedics even came on the plane.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited to see what car we have. These are our choices. We have a white Mustang. Or we have a black one.
Can we go with the white one?
Briella votes for the white one.
What do you say?
That's cool.
Make your decision. Fast and furious. Here we go. Here's Dominique's first time in the convertible. She's never driven in a convertible, and we're in a white Camry.
Oh yeah! We have the music.
It's also 6 o'clock in the morning our time.
Okay, you're in charge of the music.
There we go. Well, who needs any other music?
I'm just so good.
We've never driven anything this big
Also, as a
either.
review, so the adventure has begun. What are we doing right now?
Trying to sleep.
In the Camaro at a Whole Foods. Oh, there's a random guy. I don't know what to do. He walked by, we're all good. We'll just get the light off. So, the adventure has begun.
As if this is gonna help me if he comes over.
The misadventures have begun.
Even like, what is the definition of a hippie? Because maybe we are.